Girl Official here. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. For today's video, we are going to do another unboxing of the products that I received in the mail. This is from my sampling campaign. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the box right here. It's super heavy. This is 13.5 kilos and I have no idea what's inside. So let's see. Well, when you open the box, there's another box. So this is what's inside. Dinnerware set from Better Homes and Gardens. That's why it's heavy. Check this out. So we have the plate. I love the design and also the color, right? This is perfect for minimalist. Okay, so this is dishwasher and microwave safe. It may become hot in microwave, so you have to be careful. I love the design and I love the color. At the back, this is how it looks like. Let's open this. So the first one is the dinner plate. This one is the salad plate. So same color, same style. So this is the back. And the next one is, wow, super nice. This is the mug. Look at that. I love the details. This is exactly how I want my mug. Perfect size for me. And this is how it looks like at the bottom. The last one. This is the cereal bowl. This is how the bottom looks like. I love it. Again, this is 4 pieces. So we have 4 dinner plates, 4 salad plates, 4 mugs, and 4 cereal bowl. If you want to check them out, you can check them out in store or online at walmart.com. There you have it, guys. I love my new dinnerware set. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. And like I always tell you guys, to spread love, not hate. I will see you again in my next one. Bye.
1, 2, 3, let's go!